Is 2026 the year we finally fix our brains? If you thought 2025 was wild, buckle up. The era of just sitting on a couch and talking about your feelings is officially evolving. We analyze the data, and these are the top 3 mental health trends exploding right now in 2026. Trend number 1, continuous care. For decades, therapy was stuck in this 50-minute session once a week box. But in 2026, that model is breaking. We're seeing the rise of always on hybrid care. This isn't just chatting with a robot, it's using AI to track your mood between sessions, so your therapist actually knows what happened on Tuesday when you had that breakdown, not just what you remember on Friday. It's less about appointments and more about maintenance. Think of it like a Fitbit for your mood. Trend number 2 is the biggest shift I've seen: somatic therapy. We used to think we could just think our way out of anxiety. That's top down processing, using your brain to calm your body. But 2026 is all about bottom up processing. See this? Top down is telling yourself, I am safe. Bottom up is showing your body you're safe through breath work, cold exposure, or movement. Because if your nervous system is fried, your logical brain is offline anyway. Stop talking, start moving. And trend number 3, yeah, the internet named this one Fibremaxxing. It sounds funny, but the science is serious. We are finally treating the gut-brain axis like the superpower it is. Your gut produces about 95% of your serotonin. If your gut is inflamed, your brain is inflamed. In 2026, nutritional psychiatry isn't alternative medicine anymore, it's just medicine. Doctors are prescribing specific fiber-rich diets to treat depression alongside traditional therapy. You are literally what you eat. So, we've got AI therapists, somatic shaking, and eating for your serotonin. Which one of these would you actually try? Or are you sticking to the old school methods? Let me know in the comments. And hey, take care of your brain today. Peace.